Hi everybody, Brandon Lesh, 3M Application Engineer, here today to talk to you about 3M Cavity Wax Plus and OEM post-refinish corrosion protection guidelines. When we look at 3M Cavity Wax Plus and OEM guidelines for post-refinish corrosion protection, this product is one of the most recommended products in the industry for that application. 3M Cavity Wax Plus 8852 is recommended by GM, Ford, Tesla, Stellantis, and many other OEMs vehicles you're working on today, okay? Those OEMs that don't recommend by brand, they're calling it inner panel cavity wax, internal cavity wax, 360 wand applicator. Whatever they call it, this product is gonna meet your needs if they don't call it out by a specific brand. So do your research, right? Go into those OEM sites, look up that technical information, that repair procedure, and see what they're specifying not only for cavity wax, but the other products to use in that repair. If you don't know how to get to the OEM site, go to OEM One Stop, go to iCar, and find that pathway through to get to the OEM site. When we look at where this product should be used, anytime you're replacing a panel, metal working, doing some PDR, you could be just disturbing that E-coat enough on the inside of a panel. You want to get cavity wax in there to get that long-term corrosion protection on the panel, on the vehicle as you deliver it to them. Deliver it to your customer for long-term protection, okay? So we're going to look at a quick refresher of how to use this product. Again, we recommend 3 full coats to get good quality coverage, good mill build to protect that panel. So I'm gonna take my can, I'm gonna give it a good thorough shake. I wanna shake it for 30 seconds, a minute. I'm gonna take the cap off, and then I'm gonna look at the part that I'm repairing. What size wand do I wanna use? This specific component, I'm gonna use our medium length wand. So I'm gonna install that on our applicator. And as I'm installing it, you can see I've put a little bit of green tape on here. This is a good just visual indicator as I'm pulling the wand out of the component to be able to tell when I'm getting to the end of that wand and I don't pull the nozzle completely out, spraying cavity wax everywhere. You can see as I'm going, I'm gonna pull back 1 coat, I'm gonna reinsert the wand fully into the component, do a 2nd coat, and again, reinstalling for a 3rd application of that cavity wax to the component I'm repairing. So you can see, as we open this demo frame rail, 3 applications gives us very complete coverage on the inside of that panel. I'm gonna be very confident that this vehicle going down the road is gonna have the corrosion protection in place to last its lifetime, all right? So as we talked about, look up the OEM repair information, go to their sites, follow their recommendations. Oftentimes you're gonna see 3M Cavity Wax Plus recommended. Follow our application tips so you can be confident in your repair. And if you get the inside of the vehicle looking like this, you're gonna be in good shape. Thank you for joining us today. Hopefully you liked what you saw, and we'll see you next time.
If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. If you have questions or have ideas for future topics, leave us a comment down below. If you want more content like this, be sure to check us out at the 3M Collision Repair Academy. The link for that is in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.